Hey guys, welcome back to Sean Does DIY. I know I haven't put out any videos and stuff like that in a while. Life just got really super busy over the last few months, and I just didn't have time to get out here in the shop and do what I love to do out here. But I'm back now. I'm finishing up a project that took a lot of time. It's a huge audio-visual upgrade, system upgrade, remote cameras and all kinds of cool stuff, TVs, all it's huge. But unfortunately, I couldn't make any videos about it because of who I was working for. So, it is what it is. I wish I could have. It's really cool. It would have been really neat to show you guys all that kind of stuff. But we do what we can, and that's all we can do. Another big thing that happened right after Christmas was I got engaged. So that's exciting. Liz, my fiance now, she's great. I love her, and we're really looking forward to moving forward with our lives together. But that being said, that does change some of my plans here in the house. I had plans to remodel the kitchen and remodel my master bathroom and stuff like that. But what I'm going to do is stop doing these really big projects and focus on finishing up what I have already started, because we're probably going to end up selling this house and moving into a new our place. So yeah, so we got to finish up my daughter's room. Since I already started that, I got the desk insert for the wall put in a couple days ago. So that video will be coming out hopefully in the next couple weeks. I think there's some things I got to do that take some time on that to cure and things like that. And then we're going to put a floating shelf in there. I'm going to hang a TV, got to hang a chair and build the bed. So it's going to take some time, but hopefully I'll start getting these videos rolling again. I got to do my pantry. It's just got wire shelves in there. I kind of started on one side a while ago, but now I'm going to finish that up. I'm going to do the floors in the kitchens. I'm not going to make another video about that because I've already done a few videos on doing flooring. You can watch those, one of the cards, wherever it is. Let's see what else. I got my list here on my stool here so I don't forget. Let's see. Kitchen floors. Oh, I'm going to change the lights in the kitchen. The closet in the bathroom where I ripped out part of it for my daughter's room. I'm going to go ahead and build a nice cabinet in there. I'm probably going to go ahead and do the vanity in there so it matches the cabinet, just not that builder grade stuff that they put in when they slap these houses together. Let's see what else. I'm working on the website. I know it's not that great and I just haven't updated it very often, but I'm getting in there and I'm going to start really getting out there, get some plans out there, kind of talk about more in depth on some of the stuff I've built and upcoming projects and things like that. And on the website it says my plans are free. They will always be free. I'm not going to charge anybody for anything I build. I just want you guys to get out there and build, have fun. My plans, you can do exactly what it says or modify, do whatever you want with it. Just get out and build and create stuff. Let's see. Coming up on 1 year on the table saw. So we're going to do some videos on that, talking about some issues I've had with the table saw, very minor issues. It's time for a good cleaning, so I'm going to take it apart and get in there and clean out the, where the motor and all that stuff is. And do some adjustments, the stops for the 90 and the 45 and all that kind of stuff. And then I've had some folks ask about, kind of going in depth more on say leveling it and things like that. So that'll be included in that video as well. I'm looking at getting a few new tools. People seem to like those videos and I need these tools. The big one will be, I think I'm going to go ahead and retire this guy here, the radial. I got this probably in 2002, 2003, something like that. And it's been a great saw, don't get me wrong, but I don't use it for what a radial should do. I very rarely, and you can see on my little fence here that I've never cut, anything other than a 90. And just because it's a pain in the butt to replace this fence and things like that, mainly. So I think I'm going to retire the radial. I'll probably put it on its stand. And somewhere, I don't even remember where I put the stand. It's underneath here, I think. But anyway, yeah, so we'll get that. I think I'm going to get a compound miter saw. I'm doing some research, seeing which one I want to get. And then that will probably involve me rebuilding this bench. I just threw this together real quick when I first bought this house. That's why I had a place to do it. Kind of want to get rid of the pegboard, maybe put some cabinets and things like that up there. Nothing too crazy, just some nice little shop cabinets where we can store stuff. So one of the things I've been thinking about pretty much since I started this channel was having, you guys send me pictures and videos of projects that you're working on, tips and tricks, things like that. And then we'll put it all together and, we'll put it out. I'm thinking maybe quarterly, something like that. Let me know what you think about that down in the, the comment section below. And if that's something you guys want to do, I think that'd be really awesome. Help the community with some projects that, somebody may be doing or something like that. Another thing I'm thinking about maybe is doing like a monthly or bi-monthly, questions and answer Q&A type thing. You send me questions in the comments, you can email me, all that kind of stuff. And, if I can't answer it, we can find somebody that can, point you in the right direction, things like that. Let me know again down in the comments below if you think that'd be fun or you think that'd be cool. I got the community tab just opened up for me on the channel, so you can throw comments and questions and things like that in there. I'm going to start using that a little bit more often, also with Facebook and Instagram. I'll be honest, I have a Twitter account for the channel, but I'm not a Twitter guy, whatever you call it, so I really don't use it. I always forget, but Facebook and Instagram, because it goes together, and I can make one post and boom, it's done. So you can also follow me there and get on there and make some comments and things like that. So I think that does it for this video. I'm going to try to get on a schedule where maybe every 2 weeks or so a new video will come out. I can't guarantee it with, stuff that's going on. I got some upcoming other projects that hopefully I can make some videos about. We'll see. But, it is what it is. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And, let me know. Talk to me. Email me. Put it in the comments. Send me smoke signals. Whatever you want to do. And let's build this community. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.